How to fix WhatsApp not opening. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and simply try to force close WhatsApp. So swipe up on your screen and then force quit WhatsApp along with all the apps running in the background and see if that helps. If not, then go ahead and simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, as in order to use WhatsApp you need to have a proper working internet connection. If not, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Additionally, open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp, and make sure that the WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app. See if that helps, and if not, then launch the settings application again and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Firstly, make sure that your iPhone has enough storage space, as all the apps running in your iPhone requires 1 to 2 GB of minimum storage space that has to be free. Additionally, in this particular interface itself, navigate to WhatsApp and tap on it, and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and then reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the app. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the WhatsApp application and then tap on remove app and then on delete app. Delete the WhatsApp application from your device and then reinstall it again from App Store, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then it simply could be that the server for WhatsApp is down, so you can simply open any of your preferred browser and then go ahead and search for WhatsApp server status, and if the server status is down, then you will simply have to wait for the server to work. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp not opening. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.